Hi, I'm Angelique Edwards, and today I will be solving question 11 from Math 2000, homework number 1. So we will be finding the derivative today of r equals 3 plus secant theta times sine theta. So to find the derivative of this, we'll have to use two rules. One of them is the product rule. Oops, I spelled rule right. The product rule, which states that the derivative of f of x times g of x is equal to f of x times the derivative of g of x plus g of x times the derivative of f of x. So for this problem, 3 plus secant theta is f of x, and sine theta is g of x. And then the next rule that we'll be using is trig derivatives. We don't need to use all of them today, but I will show you the ones we do have to use. So the simpler one is sine theta. So the derivative of sine theta is equal to cosine theta. And then also we'll be using secant theta. So the derivative of secant theta is, let me add the actual derivative part to this, is equal to secant theta times tan theta. So now we'll start solving the problem. So the derivative of r is equal to f of x, so 3 plus secant theta, times the derivative of g of x, so cosine theta, plus g of x, sine theta, times the derivative of f of x, which would be secant theta, tan theta. Since 3 is a constant, the derivative is 0, so you don't have to incorporate that in the next step. So now really the only main thing we have to do is simplify a little bit. There's not much to simplify unless you want to just bring cosine theta to the front. So I'll do that. So cosine theta is 3 plus secant theta plus sine theta secant theta tan theta. So that makes make a little bit more, a little neater because it looks a little bit more even. And so the derivative of 3 plus secant theta times sine theta is cosine theta times 3 plus secant theta plus sine theta times secant theta tan theta. And I hope you enjoyed this wonderful lesson today. That's how you find the derivative for question number 11.